In this video, you'll learn how to fix Cloudflare Warp when it keeps disconnecting and reconnecting on Windows 10. If you've noticed Warp constantly cycling between connected and disconnected, especially in 2026, you're not alone. Many users see this flapping behavior because of a conflict with a built-in Windows component called the Microsoft Wi-Fi Direct Virtual Adapter. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step through how to disable that adapter so Warp can stay connected and work the way it's supposed to. First, make sure you're on your Windows 10 desktop. We're going to start in Device Manager, which is where Windows lists all your hardware and virtual devices. To get there, move your mouse to the Start button in the bottom left corner of the screen. Instead of left-clicking, right-click the Start button. This opens a context menu with a list of administrative tools. From that list, click on Device Manager. If a confirmation or security prompt appears, go ahead and allow it. Once Device Manager opens, you might notice that not everything is visible by default. Some devices are hidden, and the one we need to change is usually in that hidden list. At the top of the Device Manager window, look for the View menu, click on View, and in the drop-down that appears, select Show Hidden Devices. When you enable this, Windows reveals additional virtual and inactive devices that are normally tucked away. This step is important because without it, the adapter that interferes with Warp may not appear at all. Now that hidden devices are visible, look for the section labeled Network Adapters. It should be in the main list in alphabetical order. Click the small arrow next to Network Adapters to expand it and show all the network-related devices installed on your system. This list can be a bit long, so scroll carefully and try not to change anything else you're not sure about. Within that expanded list, find the entry called Microsoft Wi-Fi Direct Virtual Adapter. There might be more than one with a similar name. If so, you can repeat the same action for each one later. For now, focus on one entry, right-click Microsoft Wi-Fi Direct Virtual Adapter, and in the context menu that appears, select Disable Device. Windows may show a warning letting you know that disabling the device will stop it from working. That's exactly what we want in this case, because this virtual adapter is what's causing the conflict with Cloudflare Warp. Confirm that you want to disable it. Disabling this adapter usually does not affect normal Wi-Fi usage for most people, but it can impact specific features like wireless projection or certain hotspot and casting functions. If you rely on those features and notice issues later, you can always return to Device Manager and re-enable the same adapter using the exact reverse steps. After you've disabled the Microsoft Wi-Fi Direct Virtual Adapter, it's time to test Cloudflare Warp again. Close Device Manager if you like, then open the Warp app on your computer. If Warp is already running, you may want to fully restart it by exiting the app and launching it again. Once Warp is open, try connecting, give it a moment to establish the connection and watch for any signs of that previous connect-disconnect cycle. If the conflict was the cause, Warp should now remain stable and show as connected without constantly dropping. That's all you need to do. By disabling a single virtual adapter, you've removed the interference that was causing Cloudflare Warp to flap on Windows 10.